So I have a box from Your Creative Studio, and this is their January box. So they reached out to me and asked if I wanted to do another unboxing with them, and of course I said yes. I love their kits, and I love these little cards. I save them and I use them, so I'm guessing that this box theme is going to be some kind of trains or vintage, something like that. So I save this right here. I have done actually yesterday I just did a video where I used this packaging, so definitely save that. Let me put this off to the side right here and let's see what we got. We have washi. Save this envelope. I actually did a little like junk journal flip using these envelopes as well, so they're so useful. Here is our design for our washi. And oh, we have another washi right here. So it gives you like a little idea of what is inside on the label. So let's see. Here is our next washi. Oh, this is going to be really nice. Oh, I love that there's like a little like stamp right there. Then we have a cling stamp. And oh, there's two stamps in there. Oops. We have a train. Then there's the other side. And another train right here. Oh, I like this one. The all aboard. You can make this into like a little ticket or like a little bottle label. That would be really cute. And oh, we have another stamp. I am loving all the trains. Look at that. That's really nice. Ooh, I like the 1804. That'd be nice just to stamp and cut out and use for like a little label piece. Ooh, another stamp. That was a lot of stamps in there. 2 washies and was that 4 stamps? That's really nice. There's that one. See, and these are like super fine detailed. I love it. Our next little item is, let me get something. Let's see, what are these? This is, I like the little box that it comes in too. It's, oh, stamp book. So these are stickers. Oh, those are really nice. I definitely want to turn these into a page. Let me show you what I did yesterday. So yesterday I took a book exactly like this, and I took the packaging and then I made myself a little sheet right here. So I am actually going to fold this in half and use it as a junk journal page. So I was able to get 2 pages basically out of 1 sheet and 1 book. So I'm definitely going to do that with this one as well, because I think that's really cute. Then over here we have a pad. Oh, I like that top piece. Definitely save that. So it's like a little matte plastic. And then you get a bunch of different sheets. I've done a master board out of these before where I just inked the edges and then did the same thing, just glued it down to a page. So I'll probably do the same with those. And let's see, we have some ephemera pieces in here. I like this topper, saving that. And are these stickers? I think these might be stickers. So, oh, there's a whole lot of pieces in here. Ooh. I like this. I'm going to save that for Halloween. I wanted to see. Yes, these are stickers. So definitely can make another master board with these. That will be super fun. Might do that with most of these. Oh, these are nice. Love those. And let's see. We have, ooh, maps. I love me some maps. So let's see. Oh, it's just a bunch of different maps. You know what I want to do with these is maybe make some little envelopes. Yeah, I think I'll make a couple little mini envelopes out of these. Maybe some like library pockets, library card pockets. That might be nice. And this one is old newspaper. Let's see. Oh, these are loose sheets. Where this one was, you know, like glued together at the top. These are loose sheets right here. Let's do a quick little flip. Oh, some of these are vellum. Ooh, look at that. Oh, I like this one. So it was called old newspaper, but honestly it looks like a bunch of like old vintage letters. Oh, I like these a lot. So like here is the page. And then actually over here, this is the matching page in the vellum. Oh, I like these a lot. I have to think about what I could use these for. I might do another masterboard, and then with the vellum pieces, maybe some pockets. Little pockets would be cute. Or an envelope. That would be really cute too. Yes, we'll definitely have to play with those. And then, oh, look at these. We have some stickers, and these are clear. I like putting these on, like, when I make a masterboard. I like putting those on top. And, oh, just a sticky note. Travel plan. Ooh, I actually want to use this in, like, a scrapbook. And, like, write out, you know, like, the date and, like, where I'll be. I think that would be really fun. Yeah, I'm not going to use this one as a little sticky note. I'm definitely going to save it and use it more for, like, journaling. And our last item here, we have some pages. So there's 6 sticker paper, 6 vellum, 6 art sheets, and then 6 pattern paper. And then here are your designs right there. But let's see what we have. Definitely save this piece right here. It would make a nice even cover for a little book or junk journal. Then I personally would just maybe add some paper to the inside right here. But yeah, this outside piece would be really nice for a little book. So we have that one. We have our train, like a little map. That's pretty paper. This one has like a little bit of writing down here in the corner. Oh, I like this. It's like a mama and daughter getting on the train, and then up here there's a stamp and a map. These are really nice. And let's see. And then now it goes over into the vellum pages, which, you know what? This might look good backed on here. Oh, look, that would be really nice to take the packaging sheet and just back that vellum on there and then make like my own little page out of it. I might do that as well. I like that. And then it goes into the vellum papers here. And then, what was this? Oh, art design paper. I think this is the art paper because it has like texture to it. And then I think these are the sticker ones. Yep, this is the sticker paper. So that's really nice. You know what? I think this would be easy to tear. Ooh, it is easy to tear. This would be fun to use. I think I should have tore it this way, exposing the white. Oh, I might make like little like snippets, like little ephemera pieces. And then that way when I'm ready to use it, I could just go ahead and just take off the sticker portion and like lay it down in my junk journal. I might do that. I'm definitely going to save this strip also. Okay, so got some little ideas going. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are interested, I will leave the link down below to their website. I will also leave a link to their Instagram so you guys could go ahead and go check them out. Hope you guys are having an amazing day and we'll see you later. Bye guys.